Hello, in this video I'm gonna check for you what is the maximum zoom available on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's get right into it. Let's open the photo mode. And at first I'm gonna use 12 megapixels camera. Over here, as you can see, we can zoom in all the way times 100, so a pretty huge zoom. Now we're gonna also check if there is an option to use the same kind of zoom when using 50 megapixels. Let's take a look. And the answer is no, we can use only up to times 10. And if we use 200 megapixels, there is times 10 zoom as well. So the biggest zoom is available when using 12 megapixels camera. Now let's also see the video mode. Over here, if we use the zoom, we can use times 20 when we use full HD. In Ultra HD, it is also times 20, and let's see 8K resolution. And over here we have times 5 zoom. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!